If you searched how to buy shares of Viavi Solutions, this video shows the steps to follow. Viavi Solutions manufactures network test and measurement equipment and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VIAV. This is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker VIAV to locate the stock. Select the listing that matches Viavi Solutions on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct asset. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you are on the Viavi Solutions listing. Double-check the ticker VIAV and the market listing before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.